Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft and welcome to a new video on Business Central. In this video, I'm going to show you everything about how to freeze panes in Business Central. So if you've been using Business Central for a while, you might already know about that. But if you are new to this platform or to this software, this is something that can help you move ahead faster in your work. So let's go ahead and do an example. Let's open the items list here. So as you can see, we have a huge list of the items that are present here. And if you scroll to the right, you will see there are a lot of information about each of these items that we have. Now, as you can see here, I've got my number. So this is my item number column, which is already freeze in place. So this is very helpful because when I'm scrolling, I still have access to the item number on the left here. But let's say I want to have the description because simply by the item number, I might not know exactly what item I am looking at. So let's say I want the description to be frozen as well, so that when I'm scrolling, it stays in place and gives me that information. So it's very easy and quick. You just come up here into the settings and click on personalize, and you will see now we have those red lines. Now, whenever you see those red lines in Business Central, these are the lines that you can then use to edit any fields in Business Central. So let's say we want to freeze this pane, the description pane of the items. You can click on the small arrow here and you will see we have the option to set freeze pane, which you can click on. And once you've done that, you will see now we have the red line that has moved here, which denotes that now the item number and the item description will now be frozen in place. So once we've done that, everything is good to go. We can click on done and you will see now we are going to scroll. You will see both the item number and the item description are now frozen in place. So this is how you go about freezing panes in Business Central. I also did another video on how to personalize Business Central in general using the same logics that I use here. The link will be in the description below, so please go ahead and check it out. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.